Hey everybody, Austin here. We are in the new Dell Webb Nocatee, and we're going to do a one-take quick walkthrough on the Renown model. Renown is 2,700 to 2,859 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. This is a fantastic plan. This is one of my favorite plans in the area. Had someone build one of these. Hey Barb and Joyce! Here in this new Dell Webb. It's a fantastic plan. So right when you first come in to the right here, you've got this super generous bedroom with a big bay window area, closet, and almost in-law suite size bathroom here. Big walk-in closet. Powder bath here. A good size linen closet. So coming to the right, we've got this open living room or study. And this kitchen. Check out the kitchen with this butler's pantry here too. And over here to the master. Light and bright. Over here to the master bath. Giant closet. Linen closet. This master bath. Guess what else you have? Another giant closet. Which takes you out into the laundry room. Go into the garage here. Big 3-car garage with this extra space back here. Water softener loop. And guess what we got? One more bedroom here with a full bath as well. A big closet right here. I love this Renown here in Dell Webb Nocatee. Information on it below. Hope you enjoyed this one take. Let's move on to the next one.